This is Sierra Reed from Sierra Legal Firm. Have you or your loved ones been suffering from terrible eyebrows? Eyebrows that have been plucked to near extinction, or the eyebrow that is so thick that you look like an Ewok? Is that you? If that is you or any of your loved ones, Sierra Reed Legal Firm can help. Please dial the number on the screen and continue to watch this video. I think I got it. Hey guys, it's Sierra and welcome back to my channel. I decided to do a how-to series on my channel, and that's basically breaking down each part of my makeup application into simple, easy steps. So here we go. We're starting with the eyebrow. The reason why I started with eyebrows is because eyebrows shape your whole entire face. Your eyebrows are pretty much everything, okay? I have been known for terrible eyebrows. I'll even blast myself. I'll insert a picture of me not knowing how to do my eyebrows and me looking a hot mess. Nobody decided to tell me that my eyebrows looked horrible. So I'm here to save you guys the embarrassment. Let's get into the video. Oh, this is going off to a great start. Okay, let's zoom you guys in. You are zoomed in. First, we're in quarantine. Make sure you get an eyebrow shaper. These are super cheap. You can get this at your beauty supply, which is probably still closed. So I'm gonna leave an Amazon link to this right here. I've already shaped my brows with this, getting rid of all, the little scraggle muffins all around my brows. This is a necessity. I like to use pencils for my eyebrows. If you guys don't know, I love, love, love the Colourpop pencils. I love the Precision pencils. That's my favorite pencil, but I also love the Brow Boss pencil. The Precision pencil right here is a lot thinner than the Brow Boss pencil. If you can see that, it's a little bit thicker of a pencil. The Precision pencil gives me those nice brow strokes. So try to find a pencil that is very fine. I know that Maybelline has one that's really fine. What I've realized is that some can be a little bit too waxy for me. This one is not waxy at all, which I love. I cannot stand a waxy brow pencil. It is horrible. I don't like them at all. I don't even know why they even make them. I don't even understand its purpose. Disclaimer, disclaimer. You can do your eyebrows however you want to do your eyebrows. This is how I do my brows, okay? Okay. So I'm gonna start. What you're gonna do is sketch a line. Sketch a line, okay? That means light hand, light hand. Don't just draw out a line. Light hand sketch it, okay? Kind of leave this part alone. I like to sketch from about here down, okay? Then I brush my eyebrows down so that I can see the outline of my brow. And I do the same thing on the top. I'm gonna move my eyebrows around. I'm gonna keep flicking them up, flicking them down, because I want to be able to make sure that I don't have any bald spots. Like you see this little bald spot right here? We don't want that. So we want to be able to fill that in, and if we don't move our brow hairs around, we won't be able to see those little spots. A little bit flick. Okay, see how this eyebrow looks like we have hair? That's what we go for. Now, here's the thing. In the beginning of your brow, you need to be so light. And this is why I like very precise pencils, because you need to pretend that this is real hair. And if you have a thicker pencil, it's not going to look like hair. It will not. Also, make sure that you're not using a black pencil. Do not, unless you want to, don't use a black pencil. Just leave it at the store. If you do have dark hair, I would go dark brown. If you're a brown skin girl, you can go even medium brown. Sometimes it can look a little bit ashy, but I would stay somewhere around dark brown. Okay, this shade right here is Bangin Brunette, and I like to go lighter with the color because you can always build it up, then go dark with the color, and then it looks like slugs on your face. Look at that brow. Okay, now we have to pump it up a little bit. I love this pomade from Patrick Ta, it's so good. So what I do is I spray the wax with the setting spray, and then I go in to the product and I just get it all over my brush, okay? Then I'm going to apply it to my brows. And this allows for separation and for you to get the nice, bushy, fluffy eyebrows that everybody wants right now. The 90s brow is back in, okay? It's that simple. That simple, okay? I'm gonna do it on the other side and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so both eyebrows are done. Look at that. Final step. I don't think I need it today, but I'm gonna show you anyway. My final step is to use a brush like this to clean up my brows. I always use the foundation that I'm gonna use on my entire face to clean up my brows. I do not like halo brows. That means you're using a concealer and it's too light above and below. I just don't think it looks right, okay? So I'm gonna show you how I clean my brows. It really doesn't need that much, but I'm gonna show you anyway. I just slightly take a little bit of foundation and I clean it up. And then I pat it out with my finger. Pat it out with my finger. You see that? It looks clean, but it's not like super, super precise. Because who has perfect brows? Nobody. Nobody. I like to most of the time leave this top alone and just feather it out more because I just think that that just gives a little bit more of a natural look. It really just depends on what look I'm really going for. If I'm going for super, super glam, I would clean up the top. But if I'm not going for that, if I'm going for like a nice BB cream or tinted moisturizer look, I usually leave the top alone. Or if I'm going for a no makeup look at all, I just do my eyebrows like that. And I go up the up. Guys, that's it. I hope you guys found that at least somewhat helpful. I'm gonna leave down below the pencils that I use. I'm also gonna leave down below Patrick Ta because I think it's amazing. And I'm gonna leave down, of course, the little Amazon cleaner upper that you should get as well. I'm trying to make these videos so simple so that the person who is not, you know, super into makeup can do this and master it step by step. We're gonna make it very easy. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you back tomorrow, 10 a.m. EST. Peace! Peace out, guys.